friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's 3 modern series notebook PCs. So friend, the 14-inch Full HD notebook PC Modern-15-C11M series includes two models, Model 14C11M-9027 GPV DDR4 8GB memory and Modern 14C11M-8027 VDDR4 16GB memory. And friend, both model features the Core i7-1195G7 CPU and Intel Iris Xe graphics for the graphics function, and they also have 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, IEEE 802.11 A, B, G, and ACX wireless LAN support and Bluetooth 5.2. And friend, the interface include a 9,20,000 pixel web camera, microSD card reader, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C into 1, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A into 1, HDMI into 1, and headphone or microphone combo port 1, and lithium-ion battery has capacity of 39.3 hours, 3 cells, 3316 mAh, and continuous driving time up to 7 hours. And friend, the body measures 319.9 mm in width, 223 mm in depth, 19.35 mm in thickness, and weighs around 1.4 kg. And the operating system is pre-installed with Windows 11 Home 64-bit and Modern 14C11M9027 GP. Also include Microsoft Office Home and Business 2011. And when the Modern 15B11M1127 model is a variant of the Modern 15B11M series that features 15.6-inch Full HD liquid crystal display, and it is equipped with a Core i5-1155G7 CPU, Intel Iris Xe graphics, DDR4 16GB memory, 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD storage, IEEE 802.11 A, B, G, and AC wireless LAN and wireless LAN support, and Bluetooth 5.2. And the interface include 9,20,000 pixel web camera, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C into 1, USB 3.2 Type A into 1, USB 2.0 Type A into 2, HDMI into 1, and headphone or microphone combo jack into 1. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.